Hey loves, here's another location of ShuDeal over here in South Dallas. Here's another location of ShuDeal. They have many styles and varieties of flats, sandals, heels. This is one of the smaller stores here in Texas, Dallas, South Dallas, with that being said. Have many different collections of all new styles of boots, shoes. Get ready. They have sizes up to 11, varieties of collections. And here's the children's size. I love ShuDeal, been a member and an ambassador for a while. Check me out. I have on my ShuDeal shoes and my purse. They have many accessories. They have other accessories. For checkout, you just put your name. My name's there, Mo. I'm gonna get some new boots, sandals. The cashiers are fast and efficient. Make sure you like, subscribe, and follow for your ShuDeal needs. Very beautiful. I have these in green as well. Oh, these are colorful. Be sure to check out the website. Beautiful. There they go. They also have them in pink. Love it. Can't wait to wear. All type of styles. You're going on vacation, you're going to work, you are going on a dinner, lunch date. They have so many different varieties of heels. Be sure to come check them out. All your needs, sandals, gym shoes, and they even have a little children wear as well. They also have a variety of different colors, styles, sizes, heels. Great collections. Make sure you join the network, ShuDeal.com. Please make sure you subscribe and share and like. Have a great day.